Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
Nice to meet you.
Are you ready to dive right in and experience the action of a working film studio meets theme park? Then let's go. Go behind the scenes where Hollywood movies are made with an exclusive sneak peek at the sets from blockbuster films on the world-famous studio tour. Experience both thrilling and family-friendly attractions like this one and this one. Join the Simpsons in the town of Springfield. And don't miss the spellbinding Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade. Book a Universal Studios Hollywood one-day ticket and get the second day absolutely free. Pre-book your tickets today at attractiontickets.com.